Today is Friday, March 22nd. The time is 5:45 p.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2012-2013 Panini Limited Hockey Break, break number 3. Good luck, everybody. First card goes to the Capitals, serial number 283 out of 299, Cody Eakin. Should I apologize, the Dallas Stars. It's listed on the bottom as the Stars. Next we have a jumbo jersey, or patch for the Sharks, serial number 46 out of 49, Annette Nemine. For the Boston Bruins, limited rookie redemption, number 2. We have a jumbo jersey, serial number 65 out of 99, Marian Gaborik, New York Rangers. We have Phenoms, card number 238, Ryan Hamilton. I'll look up Ryan Hamilton and put that in the notes. Board members, Henrik Zetterberg, Red Wings, serial number 109 out of 199. Thank you everybody for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. I will be posting another 2012-2013 Panini Limited Hockey Break tonight. Also currently listed for hockey, I do have a 1985-1986 Topps complete set, including a Mario Lemieux rookie. Currently listed for football box breaks, 2012 Topps Supreme, which ends tomorrow. Also 2012 Panini Black and 2012 Panini Crown Royale.